Hi guys, I wanted to pop on here quick and make a quick tutorial on how you can actually use a web browser for a calculator, okay? So this week we need a scientific calculator, which means you're going to need to either have one available to you, your phone works too, okay? I posted a video on how to use your phone as a scientific calculator and get the kind of buttons that you need. But there's also a way to do it right in your Chromebook. So I'm going to show you this. If I type, I already did it, but I'm going to show you here. Let's move that. You can see I typed just scientific calculator into Google, and this is what pops up. Okay, so the EE button that we're going to need to do our scientific exponents is actually this EXP button. So if I type in 6.02 EXP23, that's just like how I would type into my calculator, okay? And it gives me, it looks a little funny there then, but that is what we mean by scientific notation. So this E plus replaces our times 10 and the exponent, okay? So if we were multiplying that number by 6, let's say, I'd get 3.612 E plus 24. Now that's not what I would write down as my answer. I would write down 3.612 times 10 to the 24th. So we are not going to, we're not going to actually write down that E number or that E letter from our calculator when we report our answers. But we are going to see that on our calculator, and we can use this calculator right here in a web browser anytime that you are doing your homework. Cell phone also works, but this one is even easier because it is right there. If you are having problems with scientific notation or with a calculator, let your teacher know. Otherwise, good luck.